Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how you can easily recover your data from a Windows BitLocker encrypted drive. You might have encrypted your hard drive with Windows' built-in BitLocker utility to keep your photos, videos, audios, files, and documents safe from unauthorized access. But what if you accidentally delete your crucial data stored in a BitLocker password-protected or encrypted hard drive? You may lose access to your data in worst-case scenarios. Don't panic yet. With Stellar Data Recovery software, you can easily restore your deleted folders or files from BitLocker encrypted hard drives. Just launch the software and select the data you wish to recover. If you wish to restore specific data, then you have the option to customize the scan process. The software lists all the connected drives, including your internal and external drives. Select the encrypted drive and turn on the Deep Scan to enable the software to access the BitLocker encrypted hard drive or partition. Provide your BitLocker password. You can also scan BitLocker drive by putting BitLocker recovery key in text field. The software scans the selected drive. You can easily see the scan progress with the provided time lapse and time left information. After the scan process completion, the software lists all the results on the left panel of the interface. Here, you can see the scanned files under File Type, Tree View, and Deleted List to analyze your data. You can now get the preview of the scanned photos, videos, audios, files, and documents. Now, select the files you wish to restore and click Recover option to save the recovered data. At this moment, provide a destination to save your data. You can select Other Drive or an external storage device. This is how easily you can recover your data from a BitLocker encrypted drive with Stellar Windows Data Recovery software. Go ahead and download free trial of the software to see how you can bring your data back to life.